Part 5. How to redirect the website from HTTP to HTTPS in IIS 8. This video tutorial is presented by Sachin Sami, powered by itzoz.com. This video tutorial is divided into 5 parts and you are watching part 5. I'm starting from where we have left in our previous tutorial. That was part 4. In part 4, you have seen how to complete the certificate sign-in request and bind the SSL certificate with the website. Now let's open Chrome browser. Here let's open the website. This is demossl.itzoz.com. We have configured this website in our earlier tutorial. Now on another tab, let's type https.demossl.itzoz.com. So presently, as you can see, the website is working on both protocols, that is HTTP and HTTPS. So we are going to redirect all the traffic which comes on HTTP to HTTPS automatically. Now we are going to go to our server. We are accessing the server using remote desktop, which we have configured in our earlier tutorial. On the server manager, click on Tools, select Internet Information Service. On the Internet Information Service Manager, select the drop down. From the drop down, click on Sites, and here you can see our site which we have configured in our earlier tutorial, that is demossl.itzoz.com. To configure HTTP to HTTPS, we are going to use URL rewrite module. In IIS 8, you have to install the URL rewrite module separately. To install the URL rewrite module, we are going to use Microsoft Web Platform Installer. Double click on Microsoft Web Platform Installer. Once the processing completes, it will show us items which we can install on the server. So let's click on Products and select URL rewrite, which will be over here. Click on Add and then click on Install. Click I accept. This will take few seconds to install. Once the installation is completed, click on Finish. Now let us go back to demossl.itzoz.com. In IIS group modules, you will find URL rewrite. If you don't find the IIS rewrite module, it means the configuration is not updated. Let's close the IIS and once again reopen it. Click on Tools, Internet Information Service. From the server node, drop down, click on Sites, and then once again click on demossl.itzoz.com. If you see now, the URL rewrite module is available. Let's double click on it. From the Action pane window, click on Add Rule. From the Add Rules window, select Blank Rule. This takes us to Edit Inbound Rule window. The first option is Name. Let us give a descriptive name to this rule. The name can be anything of your choice. I have given this rule a name HTTP to HTTPS. The next option is Match URL. From the requested URL drop down, we have selected the default option, that is Match the pattern. Next is Using. Here also we are going with the default option, that is regular expressions. Next is Pattern. On the pattern box, type open round bracket dot star close round bracket. Now let's move to the next option, that is Conditions. On the Conditions, click on the pull down arrow. From the Conditions menu, click on Add. This brings up the Add Condition dialog box. In the condition input box, let's remove this condition and we are going to type a new condition, that is open curly bracket, then type HTTPS. After that, close curly bracket. It will look like this. Next is check if input string. We will go with the default, which is matches the pattern. In the pattern box, type caret OFF off and then type dollar. It will be like this. Now click on OK. The condition will appear like this: input, type and pattern. Let us move to the next configuration, which is action. From the action type drop down menu, select redirect. Once you will see the options are changed. In the action properties, redirect URL type HTTPS colon double forward slash open curly bracket HTTP underscore HOST close curly bracket forward slash open curly bracket R colon 1 close curly bracket. It will look like this. Next option is append query string. This checkbox is already selected. We will leave this checkbox as it is. From the redirect type drop down, we are going to select See Other 303. This is all we have to do. Now let us click on Apply. The changes have been successfully saved. Click on Back to Rules. Here you can see the rule which we have created for redirecting HTTP to HTTPS. If you click on the plus sign, you can see more details about the rule. Now let us minimize the IIS manager and go back to our local machine and check it out what happens when we access the website using HTTP. Let us minimize the remote desktop of the server. Now we are on our local machine. On the Chrome browser, this is the website which we have earlier opened. This is working on HTTP right now. Now let us refresh it and see what happens. As you can see, the website has been automatically redirected to HTTPS. Let us see this on a new tab. Okay. Type demossl.itzoz.com. Hit enter. And as you can see, it has been redirected to HTTPS. Now let's close the Chrome browser. This completes the fifth part of this tutorial. Hello friends, thank you for watching this video tutorial. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to receive an email update whenever we post new videos. Share it with your technical IT friends. If you are facing any technical problem or have any suggestions, post your comment here or catch me on Google+, Hangout, Facebook, Twitter and Skype. This video tutorial is presented by Sachin Semi, powered by itzoz.com, and you are watching this on YouTube.